Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show you. Now what we are going to see is, in 2026 year Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, InDesign, Illustrator, whatever is available in Adobe, when you open it, there is a pop-up error message like this. If we get this, we can't do anything. Let's see how to disable this. In the old video, we went to the firewall settings like this, and I have posted a video about how to block Photoshop, Premiere, etc. Even if we block this, according to this year, in 2026, at least that error message will pop up. We can block it in a new way in Windows. We can see how to block it in this video. How are we going to block this pop-up? We are going to block this pop-up through the application called Net Limiter. Download and install Net Limiter. After installing Net Limiter, you can see that the Premiere Pro is showing inside. In this place, we have to give deny. If you give deny in these two places, in and out, the view of Premiere Pro will be blocked. You will get the error pop-up message will be completely blocked. As you can see, we have opened Premiere Pro. That error pop-up message did not come. This works perfectly for you. According to Windows, if you use this method, you will not face any problem. Next, if we open Premiere Pro on a Mac machine, you will get a pop-up message like this. In that video, I told you how to disable the pop-up on a Mac machine. I have already uploaded this video using another method. In the old Mac OS, you can use that method. In the latest Mac OS M1, M2, M4, if you download the software in another method, it will become completely blocked. I will tell you about it in this video. Let's go to the video. The software is called Little Snitch. There is a free download option and payee too. After installing the free downloader software, open the software like this. If you open the software like this, it will show you a list like this. In that list, you can see Adobe Premiere Pro. Now we need to right-click with the mouse at this location. In Adobe Premiere, there is an int mark. If you click on that int mark, it will be blocked. It will change to a red color. Similarly, if we click on the int mark related to Adobe Premiere, the red mark will change. After that, you will not get this pop-up. You will not get this error in Adobe. If you like this video, please like. If you have any doubts, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.